Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this easy and healthy breakfast that you can eat on the go when you're headed to work every morning. Overnight oats is literally the perfect breakfast go-to meal. I've been on my health fix lately because I've been going to the gym and I also want my body to look a certain way. So I realized that I need to eat healthy as well as go to the gym, because 80% of your weight loss journey, or your journey in general, is about your food and what you eat. So these are the ingredients that I laid out for you guys. You're going to see in a minute each ingredient. First things first is you want to get a small apple. I have a small red apple here, and you actually want to grate off the skin. Alright guys, so you want to grate off the skin. So I'm just using my vegetable peeler just to grate off the skin. And then after that, I'm going to just cut it into pieces and just remove the middle part with the seed area and also the sides where the stem is. And then after that, I just cut those little pieces into smaller pieces. But it doesn't have to be too small because you're going to grate it. So next I'm going to take those small pieces and I'm going to grate them into little small pieces so it can be able to fit in the jar and you can be able to basically eat it more easily. After this, you want to get a bowl, any type of bowl, and then you want to add your ingredients into this bowl. So I'm gonna take 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds, and I'm also gonna take 1 scoop of whey protein powder, and you gotta make sure that it's the vanilla flavor because it's gonna add that vanilla flavor to the overnight oats. Next, I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of regular rolled oats. I'm going to add in those grated apples that I grated earlier. And I'm also going to add a 1/3 cup of milk. I used low-fat milk, but you can use almond milk if you want to. And then I'm going to also use a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. And this is non-fat Greek yogurt. Last but not least, I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon and also a little pinch of salt. That just balances out the flavors. And then after this, I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. Before I tried to mix it in the actual cute little jar, but it didn't work out because you can't mix it properly in there. So that's why I mentioned to get a bowl. So after you mix that, you want to just add that to your cute little mason jar. And that's really it, guys. If you want it to be a little more runny, you can add water. And you don't want it so thick, you can add water. And then you literally just cover it and then put it in the fridge, and you have to let it sit for at least 4 hours or overnight. And yeah, after that, you have a quick and easy, healthy, high protein meal for breakfast in the morning, and this can definitely fit into your calorie deficit diet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this quick and easy breakfast meal on your own. And if you do, definitely comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.